How to fix horizontal lines on Android phone. Make sure to watch the video till the end so that you fix all your issues towards your problem. So first thing first, you have to head into the settings on your device. Once you're on the settings, you need to tap on the search bar and search for software update. Once you find out the software update, you just need to open the software update. When you reach on the section, you can easily find out that I have the updated version of my software. If your software is not updated, then this might create the problem of horizontal lines on Android phone. So make sure that you have the updated version of software. If your software is not yet updated, then download and install option will be shown in this page where you have to tap on it and update your software. Once you have done that, your issue might fix. If this is not the reason, then the reason might be due to the turning on of the dark mode. If the dark mode is turned on your mobile device, then the horizontal lines might be shown on the Android phone. So you must turn off the dark mode to fix this issue. The last thing what you need to do is you need to restart your phone because there might be the problem itself in the phone. So restarting your phone will fix the horizontal lines on Android phone. In order to restart your phone, you need to hold on the power button on your device and you need to tap on the button here and swipe towards the restart. When you swipe towards the restart, your phone will automatically restart and fix the horizontal lines on Android phone. So this is how we fix horizontal lines on Android phone. Hope so this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button, subscribe and press the notification bell for more updates from this channel. Thank you guys.